guys, Tom and Tommy from TNT Videos. Today we're going to teach you how to make homemade baked potatoes. First, you're going to poke holes in the potatoes with a fork on both sides.
Why?
Because so it won't explode when it's in the oven. Meanwhile, when he does that, you're going to want to set the oven to 450 degrees for 45 to 60 minutes once you put it in.
You can test if they're done by poking the fork into the potato, and if it goes in smoothly, because it's really rough right here, if it goes in smooth, you'll know that it is done. We're going to go and spray some cooking oil on them, put some salt, pepper, and some garlic powder on them on the outside, and then put them in the oven with the oil and everything on them.
What you would need to make these is granulated garlic, salt, pepper, and
oil or cooking spray of whatever you'd like to try it on.
Just spray each potato with that oil. Next, we're going to just put a amount of pepper as you wish, and you put on some salt and then you're going to put on the garlic.
You're going to flip it over and do it again.
You may also add any other seasonings you may wish to add.
Just check to make sure that they're not going to burn at the 450 degrees in the oven. And now, I'm going to spread them out a little bit, give them some space. My hands.
Now we're going to fit it into this, then we're going to put it in the oven.
Preheated oven at 450 degrees.
And for 45 to 60 minutes, or or when you poke through the hole, poke that fork into the potato, it should go.
No resistance. It should just slide in.
Yeah.
We'll be back to see him in a few minutes.
1 hour later.
This is how it should look like when it's done. Enjoy.